No.
What's going on, everybody? I am back, and I wanted to show you a couple products that I just picked up for the bike. Alright, so what we got here is packaging from Figurati Designs. I decided to spend too much money on a engine oil dipstick, and they preach that it's going to save your engine because they have really strong earth magnets put in. I don't know the exact strength on it, but it's listed on the site. And so we're going to unbox this, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. So this is the packaging that you're going to get from Figurati Designs. Nice small little box, and as you open it up here, you're going to have their nice little product box packaging. Really nice design. That probably factors into the exorbitant price that you're going to pay for this dipstick. Alright. Now, let's go ahead and see what we got inside. Alright, and that's what you're going to be seeing when you open up your package. A nice little display case with a clear window. It's a metal box, nice little tin, probably hold on to that for spare parts or whatever. Now, this is what I decided to go with. They have two different options. They have a knurled option, and then they also have the smooth option. And this is what the dipstick looks like for the Softail models. As you can see right there, it says magnetic oil dipstick. It's nice, heavy duty, really thick. Plastic feels really great. Definitely not cheesy at all, and for the price I wouldn't expect it to be. And here's the indicator gauges right here for the oil levels. Filled and hot. Alright. And then there's the top of the dipstick. That's the business right there. So I figured it's going to look really cool than that cheap little plastic oil dipstick that comes with stock on the bike. So there is that. Now next, I want to show you something that I actually saw in a group. Alright, so this right here is going to be a machined dipstick for the transmission. Really cool. And I want to show you guys. So this is the packaging that it will come in. Purchased it on eBay. Alright. Nice little plastic bag here. Let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see what we got. So this is going to be machined aluminum. It feels pretty nice actually. It's all metal, no plastic. Nice, simple design. And I figure this is going to be a lot nicer to deal with when I have to change or check fluids, because with the current dipstick you got to use, I believe, a 3/8 Allen to open it up. So, or that may not be the exact size, but you have to use a tool to open it, and with this is just a simple twist off. So let's go ahead and put these on the bike. Alright, so first things first is we're going to get this side cover off so that we can access the transmission dipstick. Use my handy dandy little electric tool here. Okay. You know the drill, this cover pops right off. And then I will also take off this little plastic cover right here. And here we go. So that's the little guy that I really wanted to replace. It will be nice to not have to use a tool every time I have to check or change the fluid for the transmission. Alright, so I've got my 3/8 balled rounded hex bit ready to go, or Allen bit. So let's go ahead and pull this guy out right here. Super easy, just gotta break it loose. Then we'll twist the rest off by hand. Alright, now let me get something. So as as you all know, this is our stock. And it's really cheesy plastic, hardly quality. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and grab the new one. Now, I didn't look at this ahead of time, so we're going to find out what we're going to see here. So that's about, yeah, it's pretty dead on about accuracy on what kind of fluid level you're going to get when you go and check. So, alright, so next, I'm just going to screw this one in. There it is, in all of its glory. Looks pretty nice, and I'm just happy to not have to be able to use a tool anymore. All right, next up is our beautifully expensive dipstick right here. All right, so first things first, we will remove the stock dipstick here. Just give that a little wipe. Okay, well, real quick, we will compare the two dipsticks. And as you can see, it looks pretty on point with the stock one here. Now the major difference with the new dipstick is, if you can see the magnet right here. Now they say that's going to dramatically help the engine, because these engines like to spit out metal shavings for some reason. It's just the way Harley is, and so this will be something like an extra added little safety point for the engine, just in case something happens. This will catch any metal and it won't explode the motor. So we'll just slide this guy right in. And that's that. Alright, so now we just put our covers back on. Start with this guy. This guy goes right in here. Just like so. Now one thing I found, this thing does not, it's got a little tab right here, and there's the hole that it goes into, and it just never stays for some reason. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. So it was driving me crazy before, but I just kind of gave up. Alright, so we'll just pop this guy back on right here, and then we'll get our bolts. Now I've learned to start these by hand. I tried to use a tool a couple times and I kept dropping them, so it's a little bit easier to kind of start them by hand. Good to go. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Okay. And there's that. Super simple, really easy. And I think that that looks pretty snazzy on there, if you don't mind me saying. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.